The HDMI cable, the thing that you ordered, looks like this. The HDMI cable goes into the computer's HDMI like that. In different laptops it might be in different places. Yours is at the side. And this one, the cable that goes to your to the projection is going into here. So this is the one that is going to your projector. It has two sides, one here and the other one is at the projector. This one is going in here, and then you can screw this one into it to become really stiff, and it's not coming out anymore. And the other end, as it's going, it's a monitor. It's exactly the same as a projector. It's just going in, and both the monitor and the projectors can detect it automatically. So all you need to do is turn the computer off, connect the cable, and connect this one into the projector, and then turn the computer on, and then it's going to work all fine. Thank you.